Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. I am picking up the camera for the first time today, but I have been doing things all morning. I woke up and hung out with Panty and had a huge breakfast of, well, huge for me. I had like a 3-egg scramble with turkey bacon and peppers and spinach and avocado toast and coffee. And then I met my friend, a new friend actually, for a coffee down the street outside. Then I went to the grocery store. Then I did a 30-minute like low intensity little elliptical session, which was nice. It was just kind of like I wanted to get my body moving for a little bit and watch some YouTube videos and just kind of hang out, which was good. And now I'm back and I'm gonna eat a snack before I have to go shop for a test shoot that I have on Friday that I am going to be styling myself. So I need to go pick up some items from the mall, so I'm gonna go do that. And then I might be going to Erewhon tonight because I kind of been in an Erewhon kind of mood. Like I just want to go and like look at all the healthy shit. So yeah, that's that. I am gonna make a little snack platter. I'm thinking apples, bananas, turkey meat, and a cheese stick. Kind of random, kind of good though. You know, it reminds me of something I would eat when I was like 11, but that's what I'm craving, so that's what we're gonna do. Here is my very random thing that I'm eating, but I don't care. This is what sounded good to me, so this is what we're doing. Hi, Miss Roxy. We're in Erewhon with Miss Roxy over here. That guy was like about to come down this aisle. He was like, oh, nope. Okay, here's a little Erewhon haul. We just got back. I got some Vitex supplements because I heard these are good for balancing hormones. Finally, I get to try the Who Kitchen cashew butter chocolate, orange vanilla, dark chocolate. Oh my God, why is that so hard to say? I got this tofu. I don't know why, this just looked really good to me. Tofu Asian spicy organic. Okay, there we go. I got this, which I'm obsessed with. This is so good. It's the Coconut Cult. I literally have like a spoonful of this and it really curbs the sweet tooth and it's just so delicious. I got some Four Sigmatic cacao mix to try because I've never tried it before. And then I also got some of this red cabbage. It's just fermented cabbage, again, good for the gut. And then I got some of this California Snacks raw vegan hummus. So very excited. I'm obsessed with hummus and I just finished my Trader Joe's hummus today. So I needed to re-up. So very random Erewhon haul, but I just kind of felt like going. Here's my dinner. This is a huge Buddha bowl with shredded chicken. This is sweet potato, butternut squash, beets, and Brussels sprouts and onions. Then we have mini bell peppers. We have some pickled cabbage, cucumbers, tomatoes, banana peppers, goat cheese, balsamic glaze, all on top of spinach. Guys, I'm so excited to eat this. Guys, I'm finishing off the night after that huge Buddha bowl. I have a little bit of a sweet tooth. Oop. That's my microwave with my hot water, but I am gonna have a little bit of this Coconut Cult yogurt. And then I'm making this cacao mix with maca, oat milk, and my little frother. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of stevia too. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. I just finished a workout with Rachel and took a shower, washed my hair. I am going to make some lunch. And then I have a lymphatic drainage massage, which I'm very excited for. Hello, sir. Hello. He's camera shy. But I want to show you guys what I got yesterday because besides what I got for my test shoot, I also got a couple of books. I've been really into reading lately. This sounds really silly. I don't know if I mentioned this before on my channel, but my goal was 1 book a month. I know, that's very embarrassing, but I've been surpassing it. It's been really fun. It's been getting me back into reading, and I've been setting goals for myself that are very achievable because then it puts less pressure on me to kind of go beyond that. Do you know what I mean? If you like set read 5 books a month and you only read 3, you kind of feel like you haven't accomplished as much as you should have, and that's like attached to a negative emotion. Whereas if you say read 1 book a month and you end up reading 3, then you're really proud, you know? I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. Anyways, so I got this book, Your Body in Balance. I've been really into, I had a 1-hour phone call with one of my mom's best friends and one of my best friend's moms. So Rachel, not my trainer, one of my best friends, Rachel, her mom is like super freaking healthy, like super organic. She's like, we call her a walking encyclopedia for health. I had a 1-hour phone call with her about pants. Hold on. He wants me to throw this little hedgehog. I had a 1-hour phone call with her today about health and holistic nutrition and her approach to food, and she taught me a lot about ingredients and things like that. And so I'm really into learning, and as much as like I'm super into balance and an 80-20 rule, I realized that like the 80 should be really good stuff, you know? It shouldn't just be whatever you want all the time, because that's not always great for your body. And my body hasn't been feeling the best lately, so yeah, so I got this book, Your Body in Balance, New Science of Food, Hormones, and Health, and it's pretty much how to eat for your hormones, and how to eat to balance out certain imbalances that you might be experiencing. And then I also got this book, Calm the F Down, how to control what you can and accept what you can't, so you can stop freaking out and get on with your life. I need this. I saw this and I was like, I need that. So I got that at the Amazon bookstore. Then I went to Zara and Aritzia and I got some cool stuff for my test shoot. I'll probably vlog my test shoot tomorrow and show you guys how I put the pieces together. But I just got like some trousers and a little top from H&M. I got a bodysuit and a dress from Zara, and then from Aritzia I got a like higher neck kind of tank top type of situation. So I'll show you guys how I style everything for tomorrow. I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some lunch. And this is what we're gonna be having for lunch today. We have coconut basmati rice, some of this Asian tofu, and some pickled cabbage. And that's that. It's gonna be really yummy. It's gonna make a little bowl. Here she is, kind of a smaller lunch because I have this lymphatic drainage massage and they tell you not to eat, but I'm hungry, so I'm eating. Because they do a lot of like rubbing on your stomach area, and so you don't want to be super full, but whatever, I'm hungry, so this is what we're eating right now. By the way, you guys, I just washed all my white sneakers in the washing machine. Pro tip, if you have dirty white sneakers, honestly just throw them in the washing machine. I don't want to be responsible if your sneakers get messed up, but if they're like these or like Air Force Ones, like don't put your really nice sneakers in there, but like my white running sneakers that are just like regular Nikes, my Air Forces, and these I threw in the wash and they came out really perfect. I'm also bringing my green juice for afterwards, just to have, because they always want you to like have a lot of liquids and like drink healthy stuff. So there we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so refreshed. I'm about to have my celery juice. This is turmeric, lemon, and celery. It's actually, it says it's inspired by medical medium recommendation, if you guys are familiar with medical medium. But anyways, that massage was so great. I always try to like almost meditate whenever I go because it's so relaxing in there. And although like part of it kind of hurts a little bit, not hurts, but like feels a little uncomfortable, it's still like, you know that you're detoxifying your body. It just feels so good. Afterwards, you feel so refreshed. But they do tell you can feel like a little bit tired right afterwards. So I'm gonna go home, drink this on the way home, then have a snack and take Panty out for a walk. And then just like do some work on my computer and edit and chill and take it easy for the rest of the day. So this is my dinner tonight. We have spinach, avocado, tomato, red bell pepper. Then we have cauliflower rice with a bunch of different kinds of veggies, more bell peppers, cucumbers, a quesadilla with chicken and cheese, Greek yogurt, and pineapple salsa. Good morning, it's the next day. I decided this is just gonna be like a weekly vlog because I'm filming little clips here and there every day, but nothing like of substance, so I'm just gonna compile them into a weekly vlog. But anyways, I just got ready for a casting, and I don't have to leave. It's literally like 10 minutes away, so I don't have to leave for like 40 minutes. So I got ready pretty early, but I'm just gonna do some journaling, and I made my coffee, and I'm gonna like sit here, and Panty's right here too with me, just chilling. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get dressed and go to my casting. After my casting, I just have, what do I have after my casting? Oh, I have a test shoot today, and we're starting glam at 1 o'clock. So after my casting, I'm gonna come back and eat breakfast and like put together all my looks and stuff for the test shoot. Clearly my coffee has not hit yet. Just finished my casting. I don't know, I think it went okay. I think it went well. Sometimes it's hard to gauge. You think like, I don't know if they like me. And then they book you. And then like the times that they're like so into you, or you think they are, they don't book you. So we'll see. Here's my little fit again. Here's my little fit. It's kind of cute. But I'm starving. I'm on my way back home. That literally actually did only take like 10 minutes, which is really awesome. It's super close to my house, so if I get this job, it would be sick to work so close. What is up with the freaking focus? Okay, but anyways, I'm on my way home. Whoa! Hello, sir, hello. This is my new favorite drink from Starbucks. It's the honey almond milk cold brew. It's amazing, I really, really like it. I just put 1 monk fruit in a venti, and then 2 of the honey blend, because usually in a venti they put 3. I just find that it's just better this way and like a little bit less sweet. And then I have an apple with peanut butter as a snack real quick. And then I'm about to bring my dog to my boyfriend's before I head off to my shoot. But I have like, I don't know, 5 minutes to eat this apple and wash off my makeup from my casting and head out the door. Okay, so we're ready to go. This is the little outfit. It's essentially the same outfit as yesterday, all gray underneath, and my flannel. And I have my set bag with like a bunch of stuff in it. Gotta bring this little guy. I didn't even take his harness off because he climbed right onto the couch and fell asleep. He's so tired after that walk. But we're about to be on the way, and I'm just gonna wear sneakers and be comfy. And I still have my whole Starbucks left, so I'm really excited about that. I had breakfast. I had like 3 eggs and same quesadillas I had last night. And then I had the apple with peanut butter. So I'm feeling pretty full, and I had some of my homemade cinnamon rolls too. So I had a lot, but I like to eat when I have like later night shoots like this. So that way I have time to like have fuel, have energy, but also digest before I start shooting. And then I packed a protein bar. I packed a Built bar in my bag, and a big water bottle as well. Guys, I just wrapped my shoot. Oh, it went so well. You know when like at first you can't tell how it's looking, and then after you see like the BTS and stuff and you're like, this is so sick. So I think we got some really cool stuff. I'm really happy with it. I'll insert some like clips that I got, but I didn't vlog during my shoot just because like obviously we were kind of on a time crunch and all that, but it was really, really good. And my makeup and hair people were like 2 of my close friends, so it was just overall good vibes, fun shoot. I think it came out really well. Oh my god, someone's waiting for this parking spot. Hey guys, I'm walking to Whole Foods right now. Just got my nails done. It is Saturday. We are right now on Santa Monica Boulevard, just living our best lives in West Hollywood. I'm gonna go get some things at Whole Foods, treat myself, maybe get a coffee, and have a day with myself. Okay, here's a very quick random Whole Foods haul. I just picked up random stuff that I'm gonna use today that I ran out of, and I didn't feel like going to the real grocery store. So I got baby spinach, a little, what's it called? Coconut water, some cantaloupe. This, because I heard that if you're ever starting to feel sick, it's really good to take like shots of this. Then I also got like an immune booster shot, and I got baby carrots. Random, I know, but that's what it is today. Hey guys, I realized that I did not finish off this vlog and I'm just chilling at home right now. I had lunch with a friend of mine, Hyla, and one of her friends, and we had such a good time. We went to Creation. I had a really late breakfast today, so I wasn't hungry because like we had lunch at 1 and I ate breakfast at 12, and it was a big one. So I just got bone broth, I got juice, I got a shot, and I got a latte. It was like one of those blue magic ones with blue algae. I love those. If you guys are ever in LA and you go to Creation, get that blue magic latte, it's really good. But anyways, I'm home now. I'm editing this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've never done a weekly vlog before. I'm gonna pick up the vlog tomorrow again, but I'm gonna do it in a separate video. Leave me your video requests down below and I would be happy to do them. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!